Hello friends, welcome to Ranju's Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Lauki bharta. Lauki is a vegetable. Some people call it oppo squash, some people call it ghiya, some people call it bottle gourd. But it tastes so delicious. So let's start the recipe.
To make lauki ka bharta or oppo squash bharta, here I have taken one lauki. Some people call it oppo squash also. Wash the oppo squash, peel it and cut it into small pieces. So here I have chopped whole lauki or oppo squash. Now transfer the chopped oppo squash into a pressure cooker. Add roughly half cup of water. So when you are cooking it, it doesn't burn. Now add some salt according to taste. Close the lid and cook it until 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 to 4 whistles, switch off the heat and let steam release by itself. After steam is released, open the pressure cooker. And now oppo squash is boiled nicely. Just take out a little bit extra water out of it. But this oppo squash water is really healthy. Don't throw it. You can use it in making dough also, or you can use it in the soup or any other curry. If you want to add some water, add this one. This one is really healthy water. Now mash the oppo squash. There is still some water, but it's fine. When we cook it with the tadka or chauka, it will absorb at that time. Now for making the tadka, add 1 tablespoon of oil in the kadahi. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And add 2 pinch of hing. Cook it for 30 to 40 seconds or until cumin seeds get splutter. After that, add 1 chopped onion. Now cook the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, color of the onions are changing. Now add grated ginger. Add some oil if required. Cook it for 30 to 40 seconds. So ginger get cooked also. Now add 2 green chilies. If you like more spicy, you can actually chop the chilies. Just mix everything together. Now add 1/4 cup of frozen peas. If you don't have frozen peas, you can actually boil the peas and add to it. Cook it for a minute. Now add tomato puree. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes and just blend them in a blender, and I add that puree to it. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Now cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. So all the water from the tomato will evaporate and masala will release some oil. Stir in between while it's cooking. And now you can see all the water from the tomatoes is evaporated and masala released some oil. Now add boiled oppo squash to it. Mix it well. Add some salt according to your taste. While adding salt, be careful as we add some salt while we were boiling the oppo squash. So just taste it first, then add the salt according to the requirement. Mix it well. Now cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. So all the water can get absorbed. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala, as kids like it more if there is a flavor of pav bhaji masala. You can actually add 1 teaspoon of garam masala also. Mix it well. And here is our lauki bharta, oppo squash bharta or ghiya bharta is ready. So let's serve in the bowl. It tastes so amazing with roti, puri, paratha or naan. Please try the recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe Ranju's Food Fusion for more recipes.
So this was the very quick and easy way to prepare lauki ka bharta. So please try the recipe and enjoy.